glad to share a very interesting clinical case scenario regarding a patient whose name was Mr. Gorelal Mondal. He was a known patient of coronary artery disease whose overall heart function was very poor. Evidence, his ejection fraction was very less, that means near about 30 to 32%. When he presented to us, he had a very difficult situation which is called VT storm and which was resulting in lowering of his BP, that means blood pressure, and he was worsening in terms of heart failure symptoms. Despite the fact he was getting recurrent shock with the frequent application of shock which was being delivered from the device, that means the ICD itself, was making him very symptomatic in terms of heart failure symptoms. He was losing blood pressure and he was quite down at that point of time, and almost he was leaning with the bed with a chest tube on the right side to control his pleural effusion. He was not having proper urine output, and day by day he was actually getting down gradually. So at that point of time we tried with lot of medicines in the form of inotropic to elevate his blood pressure or to take care of his rhythm. We just tried with lot of antiarrhythmic drugs, but nothing was working out. Every day 8 to 10 shocks he was getting despite all the ventures. So at that point of time we actually planned for radio frequency ablation under 3D mapping, which is considered to be a very upfront and is a very useful procedure in this sort of situation, which is called VT storm, to take care of the whole clinical scenario as a bailout and as only available option which might work out in most of the cases. So we just take him with high risk consent and we perform the whole procedure for 3 hours under local anesthesia, that means without intubating him or without making him completely knocked down by giving general anesthesia. And at the end of the procedure he was gradually improving with all the good signs of his improvement, like he completely got rid of the ventricular tachycardia and his blood pressure and other signs were actually, vital signs were actually improving, and we could be able to discharge him with flying colors after 1 week. So in this scenario the radiofrequency ablation was proved to be phenomenal for his improvement, and we felt that this is the only available options which could make the difference, and we are happy to see him in the follow-up for last 8 months, and he never had received a single shock after the procedure, and here we feel that we had really did something for him. Thank you.
मेरा नाम गोरेलाल मंडल है। मैं कलकत्ता से गांव जा रहा था। रास्ता में ही थोड़ा सामने सीना में दर्द देने लगा। वहाँ से BM बिरला में भर्ती हुए तो डॉक्टर मालपानी के अंदर में तो वो इलाज किए, उनका दवा चलने के बाद में वो बोले कि अभी ठीक है, ऑपरेशन करना पड़ेगा। तो ऑपरेशन के लिए मैंने फिर भर्ती हुआ तो हमारे सीने में जो है सो झटका मार रहा था। उस दिन जो है सो 22 बार झटका मारा। तो डॉक्टर राकेश के अंदर में भर्ती हुए। भर्ती होने के बाद में वो ऑपरेशन किए फिर से। उस दिन से आज तक मैं ठीक हूँ और अभी ठीक चल है। यहाँ जब हम भर्ती हुए तो देखे कि यहाँ नर्स और डॉक्टर इतना सुंदर से और इतना अच्छा से व्यवहार करते हैं कि हद से ज़्यादा जो इतना कहा नहीं जा सकता है। जैसे घरेलू एक डॉक्टर होता है तो दिन में कभी 3 बार आते थे, कभी 2 बार आते थे, रात में 2 बार आ जाते थे। वो अभी जो है सो वो लगते हैं कि हमारा घर का डॉक्टर है, हमारा घर का आदमी है।